What's good, people? Welcome back to Soul Nectar Studios. I was looking for a way to speed up my mastering workflow and add some warmth and richness to them as well. So I was looking for a tape emulation plugin, but then I came across this plugin called MasterDesk by Brainworx, who I actually really like as a plugin manufacturer. I always use their SSL 4000E emulation on all my tracks for EQ and a little bit of compression because it adds that kind of analog warmth, but I'll come back to that in another video. So I thought, let me try this on a trial, 10-day trial or whatever, and I really like it. So I just wanted to show you kind of how good it is. So I've put it on my stereo out channel, and I'm going to turn it off to start with and show you what it sounds with it like on and off. So you can see it's quite a favorable difference. It's wider, it's warmer, it's obviously louder. The kind of the tones in the mid and treble range are much more crispy and well defined. And the preset that I'm using here is this one, number 9, Mix Bus Start Here. Because when I opened it, I was like, oh, there's so many kind of different options. Too many, and like, what's Metal Monster gonna sound like, or fixing brittle 80s rock? I thought, all right, Mix Bus Start Here. And you know what, I just liked what it done straight out the box, so I thought I'd make a very quick video and a suggestion. If you're looking for something quick, simple, easy to use that has a great preset built in to just that you can just slap on your master and go and speed up your workflow, this is great, man. Head over to Plugin Boutique, where it's only $18.50, which is a bargain because it's on sale right now, or get the trial version like I did and try it out. But I think it's a really good plugin, and hopefully it will work well for you guys as well. All right, catch you in the next video. Peace.